Hey guys, what's up? I am Cassidy and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I keep my PDF patterns in the analog manner. So I have probably one of my favorite sewing patterns ever right here to just give you guys an example of what a pattern envelope that I use frequently looks like. So it's a little bit reminiscent of like an actual envelope that you get a pattern in from the store. So I do like that. I do not ever buy like McCall's patterns or Simplicity or whatever from the store. I really only use PDF patterns. So this is how I do it. This is the Rudy hoodie by Seamwork Magazine. And what I've done is just printed out the instructions, double-sided, stapled the front page to the front of the envelope, and then if you flip it over, it actually has like the page that tells you all the stuff that you need in terms of fabric and notions. And then if I need any other information to quickly reference, I will staple it on the back. For this one, it has some elastic requirements, and that is what is here. So I will do that on the outside, and I'll assemble the pattern, and I will show you the contents of the envelope. So here are all the pattern pieces, and they're just folded up. And I really don't, like, it doesn't really matter that you fold them. I mean, if you think about it, you would fold a tissue paper pattern and typically put it back in the pattern envelope anyway. So I'll fold up all the pieces and put them in the envelope, and I also will like put them back in the envelope as I go. So I'm borderline OCD about getting everything back in the envelope. So in addition to the pattern pieces, I have a hard copy of the instructions that come with the PDF pattern, just if I need them, and it's really helpful for me because I have everything in one place. So I really like this system. I've done it a million different ways, I can tell you that. And this is the most efficient for me. And then you just put it back in. Pretty cool, huh? I think so. So let's look at some others that I have here. Lots of Seamwork Magazine patterns. Whoop. We got a rogue pattern piece there. So here is a pattern I got from Etsy from this really cool shop called Studio Rosado, excuse me. So I have it, the front page of the instructions stapled, and then on the back I have all the fabric requirements and things like that. And here's another good one. So here's the hoodie I'm currently working on, and this pattern just happened to only have like one page of instructions, so I just put that on the front, and then I've made notes about the seam allowances here. If I need to make any notes about the pattern, I will put it and just write it on the back. So, you know, if say for example, I want to make a note about using a certain type of stitch, like use a zigzag stitch with a 2.5 millimeter width and a 1 millimeter length, I'll put that on the pattern, or I'm sorry, on the back of the envelope. Here's one that I've actually never sewn, Shelly leggings. Yeah, but it's great for me. Again, I will put any kind of extra requirements in terms of elastic, whatever you may need, here on the back. So it's just right there. So whenever I'm ready to sew something, I just get the envelope out, get the instructions, cut it out, put the pattern pieces back, and I'm done. This basket is from Target. It's very cheap, but these are all the sewing patterns that I currently have. So yeah, that's how I store my PDF pattern. I would love to hear how you store your PDF sewing patterns, or are you gonna do this? Do you have a better way? Let me know. Happy pattern organizational time. Bye.